Today, we're exploring how sound changes with movement, the Doppler effect.
The Doppler effect explains why sound sounds differently depending on whether the object is moving away from you or towards you.
Sounds travel to your ears in the form of waves, and as the objects making the sound get closer to you, the distance between the waves gets smaller.
This makes you hear the sound differently, as we'll see in this experiment. Let's get started. For this experiment, we'll need a battery connector, a buzzer, electrical tape, a 9-volt battery, a Nerf ball, and some scissors to help cut the ball later.
Don't forget to have wire strippers handy. You can use the scissors also. Now let's get started with the buzzer and the battery.
Strip a small section of wire from the battery connector and the buzzer.
Now take one of the wires from the battery connector and twist it with the wire from the buzzer.
Make sure the wires are secure, then wrap it with electrical tape so it doesn't come loose.
And now we can repeat the process for the second wires.
As an option, to keep the extra wire secure, wrap it around the buzzer and secure it with more electrical tape.
Nice and tiny. This will make everything easier to fit inside of the ball.
Now for the Nerf ball. Cut a slit into the side of the Nerf ball, but not too big. We only need it big enough to fit the battery and the buzzer.
Then carefully carve out the inside. Think of it as carving out a pumpkin.
Connect the battery to the buzzer, making sure that it's working. Now carefully place everything inside the Nerf ball.
Once everything's ready and inside, close the hole with some tape. But don't worry, if there's not enough room inside the ball, feel free to tape some of the materials on the outside. And there you have it, your Doppler ball's ready to roll.
Boom! Now throw the ball around the room and listen for the Doppler effect. The sound changes as it moves around the room.
So, did you hear the sound change? That's the Doppler effect in action.
Now, imagine using sound waves to detect flaws or cracks in materials. That's what non-destructive testing, or NDT, is all about.
And just like you heard different sounds with the moving ball, NDT technicians adjust frequencies so they can find tiny defects and see deeper into materials.
While we could hear the sound in this experiment, the sound waves used by NDT technicians are too high frequency to hear.
These high frequency waves bump into the flaw, and that reflection that comes back is what the technicians read to locate and size the defects.
Science, safety, and a bit of fun. That's how the Doppler effect works in the real world.